special, exciting day. Because last night, like late last night, right before we went to bed, we found out that we're gonna go pick up some chickens today. Exciting.
Expanding our family very quickly.
So today we've been just working hard on finishing everything.
Yeah.
Finishing the door.
Yeah, looks good.
For the chicken yard. And then we've been finishing up the hen house here.
What is that? Aha.
Wood suctions up all the pee and poop and all that stuff.
Which we can then use as fertilizer for our plants.
Yep.
Noah's been such a champ. He loves working around the house, and this project has been really exciting for him. He can't wait to get these chickens home and feed them and cuddle with them and all that stuff. So super exciting times. You wanna jump in the trampoline? Go, 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 go! Right guys, it's time to go get the chickens. It's gonna be my not first interaction, but one of my few interactions with chickens ever. I've always been extremely afraid of all kinds of birds. Now it's time to face my fears once again. What do you think, Catherine? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. What?
What's in the box?
Wow, we received a package.
Can't they just like fly out?
I hope they're all alive. Wow.
Are you gonna be the one to take them out of the box?
You can.
I know. I've been vegan too long. All right, Mr. Hello.
Hello.
Just got up right now, as you can tell by my face, and we're super excited to see how the chickens are doing right now. What do you got there? You got some apples for the chicken? Are they gonna come out here?
Yeah, we're gonna take them outside. We still haven't figured out how to come out on their own, so we have to help them a little bit.
Hey buddy, how do you call them like this? Like a dog? There you go.
Come eat.
Ah, he jumped down.
Yeah, now they want to be out. When they're all together, it's fine.
I actually haven't even touched them yet. Oh, that's so soft. What do you guys think we should name these chickens? Give us 3 names to name them. Noah's eating the snacks.
Eating the chicken's apple. You're sharing with the chickens?
Catherine, how does it feel to be a chicken mom?
Pretty cool. And I'm excited for them to get more friends.
All right, breakfast time. What are we eating, Catherine? Some oatmeal?
Oatmeal with raisins and something else.
I prepared it myself. A lot of you guys think that I never prepare any food around the house. That's not true. I prepare at least 20% of the meals.
Pretty accurate, I guess.
Yeah. And some of you guys are kind of asking, hey John, why are you eating plant foods now that you're not vegan anymore? And that has never made any sense, right? I'm still allowed to eat oatmeal and as many plants as I like. Just because I'm not vegan doesn't mean that I'm not gonna touch plants, right? So we're now about to go hiking, and Vivo Barefoot Shoes just sent me these hiking barefoot shoes, which I'm super excited to try out. I've been a fan of this company for a long time because Noah's been using their shoes for a very long time, and he's always loved it. And it's also made from recycled material. These shoes have really good grip as well, so I really like them. Anyways, we're gonna go meet my sister and her boyfriend as well and go for an amazing epic hike. Speaking of Vivo shoes, check this out. Noah's got his favorite ones here. Catherine's got hers on. We're all representing the same company today. Alright guys, we made it to the top of the hike, and now we have a bunch of people lined up for Instagram selfies at the edge right there. My favorite thing is going on uneven terrain. It's also one of the healthiest things for your joints and for your muscles. So
really good
this
exercise.
is a beautiful place as well.
Yeah.
Got my sister there too. Got Michael. Catherine, you want to say what's going on here?
So here we got some tiny chickens. Chicken babies. We got 9 of them.
There he is.
Look at him. Or her. Cute.
2 hours later.
Just got done with a workout. I'm about to go home, make a post-workout smoothie. So the theme I wanted to tackle a little bit is, have I changed as a person? I've been vegan for 5 years and one of the main ambassadors for the lifestyle. You know, tour the world, giving speeches every single year. And the answer, surprisingly for a lot of people who are watching who are vegan, I have not changed at all. When you experience new things in your own life, you change your opinions and your viewpoints a little bit. Doesn't mean that you change as a person. And I still am for compassion, for the well-being of animals, the environment, all that stuff. That has not changed. I'm not supporting factory farms. I'm not supporting the destruction of our soil and environment. It's just a different perspective, because once you realize that some people just cannot be vegan, and that is the sad truth that a lot of people want to ignore. When you realize this, you allow more nuance into the conversation. You allow more open-mindedness, more discussion, and you come to terms with the reality of it, which is, at this point, we do not know how to fix a lot of these issues on a fully plant-based diet, right? And I know a lot of people are asking for studies. You know, John, what is a study? What is the evidence suggesting that vegan diets are bad for your health? I'm not saying that it's bad for your health. I'm saying that a lot of people cannot sustain it for health reasons, and therefore we cannot expect everyone to be vegan. Some things are going to be less ethical than other things, and some things are going to be more environmentally damaging than other things. But at the end of the day, we have this system in the world in place, and that includes factory farming, monocropping, the exploitation of humans in other countries. And I don't blame anyone for buying factory farm meat, because that is a system that we have in place. I don't blame people for buying, clothing that is made in sweatshops, if they still exist, or just suboptimal conditions, because people have so many things to think about. It doesn't mean that we shouldn't focus on it. I'm just saying it's silly to blame and point fingers and expect everyone to do everything the exact same way as you do. I just want people to be more open-minded, more conscious, and more accepting of nuance and situations that may not align with your fixed mentality and belief system. Alright guys, time for the post-workout smoothie. So what I'm using right here are some gooseberries, some red ones and yellow ones. So we have a ton of them from last year, and the ones from this year are about to come in, which I'm super excited for. They're pretty sweet and a little bit sour and just amazing in smoothies. I'm also using one banana, and then I'm using some sunflower seeds for some vitamin E and some fats, and I'm pouring in some soy milk in here as well. And then we got the vegan protein blend from My Protein, which is a sponsor of this channel. They have such an incredible selection of products, and to be honest, probably the best deals on the market. I mean, check out the prices. I use their vegan range. You can see the B12 there, just $4, which is incredible. I've also been using their clear vegan protein. It's like a protein lemonade shake. It's been extremely handy in these hot summer days where you just want something refreshing to drink after a workout, and it's definitely next level in terms of taste and texture. So they've really changed the game with that one. They also have different regular vegan proteins like pea protein isolates, vegan blend, soy. And the cool thing is that they also do whole foods. So they do nut butters, whole nuts and seeds like chia seeds, cashew. They have instant oats, cacao nibs, a bunch of things that you can use for everyday purpose. And their vitamin selection is just out of this world. You can find anything that you're looking for here for the best prices, shipped to your door to most countries around the world. So take advantage if you want to by using my code VenusVIP to save even more cash. So definitely a good deal to check out if you're looking for some new supplements. So I added 1 scoop of the protein powder in there along with a carrot to boost up the vitamin A. Remember, I added the sunflower seeds in there to make the absorption of the beta carotene from the carrots easier. And then I just blend everything together, pour it into a glass, and enjoy it. It was probably one of the most delicious shakes I've had in a while. Alright guys, we're now at the mountain, and we're gonna go to Catherine's cabin, family cabin, and we're gonna carry this canoe. And I had my first intense gym session in months today, so we'll see how this goes. So carrying the canoe up to the mountain. Is it hard? It's not that heavy, but it's so huge that I know it's really hard to maneuver. Where are we? We made it to the cabin. Beautiful cabin.
We made it.
Check out these views. Tell me you've seen views more beautiful than this. Absolutely insane. 1 week ago this was ice, so this is really cold
This
right
is
now.
ice water.
Ice water, let's go. Feel so blessed to have this amazing sight and
So
nature
lucky.
around
Yeah,
us. It's
really,
crazy.
really, really grateful.
It's like one of our favorite places in the world. We're trying to ground to the earth right now,
Yeah.
as that's supposed to be extremely healthy. And after going down in the water, my body just feels extremely relaxed and just super comfortable. Okay guys, it's nighttime right now, even though it doesn't look like it from the bright light outside here.
Yeah.
But yeah, how's it feel to be a chicken mom? I know it feels good to be a chicken daddy, for sure.
It's good. They're so cute.
Yeah, for sure. And it was such a good time at the mountain, spending time in the cabin. Just the most beautiful place ever. Just really thankful for the nature around here. It's just outstanding. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us on this little adventure today. Hope you guys are staying healthy and staying safe during these crazy times. Anyways, see you soon guys. Peace out.